Good morning, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we have got us another haul today. This one is from Charlie's Nail Art. Hair mail. We've got some nail mail. I've slit it open. I have not taken the products out yet, which we will do here together. This is a small haul compared to what I normally do with Charlie's. And we are going to start with her note first. Hello Cherie, many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing all your beautiful nail designs. Charlie. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie. So if you would like to place an order using my code, it is NailedIt10, all in caps. And you can save yourself 10% off your order. She has got such beautiful, beautiful items. She's very cheap on her prices, but it is high quality. We got some PR items here. Gonna try and put things together. So, we should be good. We'll start with this here. Some of these I had purchased for Easter, which is come and gone. The mail has been such a hold up there in the UK and here in the US. As far as the state of Michigan goes, I can't speak for other states, but our, what is it called? It's in Detroit. The main mail place. Post office, of course, but it's, they don't have hardly, they're working way understaffed. They've got one area of Detroit, they've got 2 mail people for like a city. People are not getting mail for 2 and 3 weeks, so I am blessed and lucky that I did get my order. So first we have got some water decals, and these are for Easter, so I will be all set and ready for next year. I think these are too cute. Whoops. Whoopsie. Love these. These designs here, the stars I can use at any given time. Not just Easter. We have got 2 glitter mixes. This one looks like they are shards, and it is called Glitter Tinsel Strands. It is called White to Blue, and it is 4 grams. But that is just so beautiful. I cannot wait to play with this. We've got that little nail glitter. We've got this beautiful, beautiful green. This is Spring Awakening, 4 grams, Charlie's Nail Glitter Mix. Only available at Charlie's Nail Art. And again, please feel free to use my code, NailedIt10, all in caps. We have got some Show Me the Money. Show Me the Money. You get 2 in each one, so that's why I ordered 2, because I'm going to be doing some money nails soon. Cannot wait for that. Over here we have got 2 beautiful purple bows, and everyone knows purple's my fave. We have got 2, let me see if I can separate these. Yeah, oh, here we go. We've got the crowns. I think those are so sweet. We got 2, I think these are tigers. Could be leopards. Anything in the feline family might fit, but I think they're tigers. This is my regular haul. Next, I'm going to show you my PR items. We get to pick so many a month for being a brand ambassador. Okay, we have got, we got a foil. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at those flowers. This is called Spring Flowers, and then it's a sample. So samples will not be the regular length, it's just a section. Can't wait to play with this. Okay, here we have got some white little bunnies. White rabbits. Those are too sweet. Oh, I like this dotted mix. That is so pretty. Glitter dots, bubblegum. Normally it would be 6 grams, 4 grams. It would be the sample is slightly smaller. But that is beautiful. Look at those colors. We have got a fine glitter mix, pineapple crush, last but not least, we have got glitter sequin shaped blue butterflies. Oh, these are going to come in very handy. Thank you very much, Charlie, for my samples. Greatly appreciate these. Hope everybody has enjoyed my haul for today. I know it's a small one compared to my norm, but it is what it is. I was shooting for Easter designs, so I will be set for next year. Cannot wait to use the white strands, white to blue. Can't wait to use it. We'll be using the spring, what's this called again? Spring Awakening. We'll be using this definitely. Spring just started like 2 weeks ago, 2.5. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my nail art goodies that I purchased. My PR samples. Remember, nailed it 10, all in caps. Will save yourself 10% off Charlie's nail art. Oh, don't forget, I still have, we're coming close. I got 6 people left as of when I film this. I need 6 more subscribers so I reach my 1150. And I will be doing a giveaway. Charlie has sponsored a $10 gift card for international peoples. I myself am going to sponsor a $10 gift card for US people. We also have the nail junkie Chica. She is going to sponsor some acrylics for US. We've got Boo Boo's Glitter Glory is sponsoring a $25 goodie gift bag for US. For international, drawing a brain fart. We got the $10 gift card from Charlie's. Sammy Joe is sponsoring for 2 winners some wax melt, so that'll be beautiful. Can I wait? So there'll be 6 winners in all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 winners. So go find that video for 1150 giveaway. Enter now because time's ticking. Get your subscription in. Enter the giveaway. Follow the rules. Let's see if you're gonna be one of the winners, one of the lucky winners. Well, we're gonna call it to an end here today. Hope you've enjoyed, because I've enjoyed showing you. We'll see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.